Go.
Shit, where's that?
What, under pressure?
See, I'm having you this time, bitch.
Yeah, of course. Oh!
Feel good about this one.
Keep getting jammed. Jammed? Jesus. All these terms.
You've just been cute.
You should do like those really cheesy adverts. Slam it down. You've been cute, bitch. Oh, fuck. I lost myself. There we go.
Good.
Shut up. Twat. I didn't rub it in your face when I won.
You did when I said I fucked up, you went, yeah, good.
I'm gonna win.
There's video evidence.
What the hell's Matthew doing?
He's playing Oblivion and he's probably talking to someone.
Alone, as usual. This is going on YouTube.
Come on, get me a fucking course. Oh, I'm almost done.
Shit, already. Just like we both stopped there. I've done. Now I need to.
It's... I'm done!
Shh, damn it. Oh well, might as well.
I was rather lucky with the top though.
That's all I got. Fuck off, John.
Victory speech. Do it.
Ah!
Oh, well, what can I say? I'd like to thank all the little people I had to stand on to get up here.
Now he's back the camera.
He'll solve it for you.
Nice.